Welcome to school 2.
Give us condom, give us condom. 1 pack, 10.
Madam, make am 2, abeg.
Brother Josiah.
Brother Mary,
how are you?
God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Longest time.
Longest time, my brother.
God bless you.
God
I've
bless
not
you.
been seeing you in church.
You have not been seeing me in church. Actually, they transferred me.
They transfer you. Is it not only pastors they transfer? They transfer church member too.
Things change every day.
I tell you.
No vex. I think say the condom still there, but now only 4 remain.
What? Funke! Jesus is Lord!
Candle.
Oga, you say condom.
No, I said candle. Brothers, can you see the way they implicate people in Nigeria?
Of Elijah.
Oga,
Lord of Zimbabwe.
Oga, you say candle. See, 2 packets.
Candle. My dear, don't worry.
Oh my days.
I need to say.
God bless you.
Condom now better one, flesh to flesh, and
To the glory of God.
flesh to
You know what? I will just try it out.
no problem.
To the glory of God. To the glory of God. Blood of Zachariah.
What? Funke! Jesus is Lord!
And brother Barry, don't forget to pay for it.
I will pay for it.
God bless you.
No, just try me for any money. I know the best for money. Don't try me. School 2.